Travel edition, travel the seas. And today we are in Rio de Janeiro again, and we're in Radisson Blu Hotel. 1301. Okay, as we come in, it's a long entrance with a long mirror, aircon integrated into the wall. As we come into the open plan bedroom, nice, I think they advertised it as a queen size bed. Comes with a nice safe, iron, and if we zoom out, we've got open wardrobe with hangers, bedside table, and then you've got your amenities that cost you a mortgage. Don't know if that's free though, that chocolato. Coffee, you got to pay for. There's a fridge there, that's stocked, that you got to pay for. TV. Yeah, old school TV. We're on the 13th floor. Not a bad view, I've seen worse. Got a chair, another bedside table with some beers. Nice big bathroom, got a sink there, toilet paper in some, don't even know what that is, I ain't seen that. Interesting, comes with robes. Shower can probably have about 3 people in there. Big shower. And yeah, that's it. Not a bad room. If you like what you see, please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next hotel visit. Ciao.